basically trying to talk about Market Cipher for beginners. And if you're new to trading, never heard about trading, don't know anything about trading, I think Market Cipher will be your ultimate or your preferred script that will probably simplify trading for you. It's a simplified script that makes trading very easy, gives you a visual understanding and representation of trading with how price moves. And price tends to move in different direction. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the consolidation. And Market Cipher gives you a simplified way of trading. This is the uptrend. Then we have the downtrend. Then we have consolidation as well. So basically, price moves in direction. Price always moves in direction, and trading has always been direction. So with Market Cipher, it simplifies direction by giving you what we call oscillators. These are your oscillators or your waves. A relatable word that I normally use is Google Map. Google Map. So this is your Google Map, and there are different oscillators and waves. So I'll say Google Maps, and all of them move in accordance with time. In other words, they give you real empirical data pertaining to an asset. So if the asset is going up, your oscillators are also heading towards the upward territories. And we have multiple oscillators or waves that moves in accordance with time. Then we have another structure called your indicators. This is Market Cipher B. These are the Market Cipher A. These are the elements. These are just the elements of the indicators I'm talking about. We have different varieties of indicators, all performing different function and all has different meaning. I think trading has been simplified using Market Cipher because it gives you two structures. This is a structure A, and we have the structure B. So this is your road signs. Another relatable word I normally use is road signs. So these are your road signs. Basically, what you see is just these are just road signs. They are just a fragment of data pertaining to an asset. So these are not real time. These are just a fragment. Road signs perform its role as a cautionary algorithm. It caution you, but Google Maps more or less like it gives you real-time empirical data. Road signs more or less like gives you a fragment of the data pertaining to an asset. If the asset is going down, it gives you an indication that there is a bearishness or there is a bullishness. You understand? So, but Google Maps more or less gives you real-time empirical data. In other words, if the asset is going up, your Google Map literally gives you the overview or give you the visual representation. So there's a big difference between the structure A and structure B. And Market Cipher is very simplified. It makes trading very simplified. So I just wanted to keep it short, keep it simple. Until then, have a nice time. Peace.